If you're trying to log in to the Liberty Mutual Insurance account, in this video, let me show you the quick process of it. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. Search for libertymutual.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you're on the website, to log into your account, you'll see an option or this button of login on the top right. Click on the login option and you'll be directed to the login section. In this first box, you'll need to type in your email address or the username that you created. And in the second box, you'll need to type in the password. If you don't remember the password of your account, you can see an option called the Forgot Password link. If you click on this option, you can reset your password by typing in your email address, and from there you'll be able to create a new password. Once you type in both of your information correctly, click on login and you'll be immediately logged in to your Liberty Mutual account. I hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more videos that we upload, turn on the notifications of our channel as well. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.